Now we are going to paint the shadow. Carefully look at how the shadow is shaped up, and using watery black I'm going to just do a normal shape and then I will slightly blur line. So quickly I'm going to paint with the black and wash my brush, wipe it and kind of blur the outer outline of it. And then it turned out too dark, so I made that a little lighter. In the previous shadow I added a little more black. And now I'm going to use the poster white color and give the white dots that I see, the white designs that I see directly with the brush. So you look at the difference and move along the same manner to fill in the smaller dots. The very tiny dots are there at the edge of the wing. You can use a very small brush for the same. To have some white grayish lines which I'm giving right now to make it look a little 3D and a little glossy. So I gave not very white lines as the wing, but a slightly watery white. And over here I've written word April with pencil in a font I liked, and now I'm going to outline it using brown. And as always, you can use your own font, you can use your own styling and your own color to write the word.